Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in a 2015 inline 4 turbo Mustang. This is a very easy job that anybody could do in any situation with zero tools or experience. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump in. So first things first, we need to come into the driver's footwell and locate our hood release handle. That's this right here. Just pull up until you hear that sound and then go to the hood. So once you've activated your hood release in the driver's footwell on the left side by pulling up on a handle, your hood is going to pop like this, and you can see this little yellow tab just there. Reach in there and move it towards the left, and then lift the hood at the same time. And then use your hood prop to keep the hood open. Grab our hood prop and then secure it right there in the top of the hood. So once you have your hood open, you can see your engine right here, and this is your air box. This is where your air filter lives and where we're going to be working today. So to remove your air box top so you can get your air filter out, you just undo this clip and this one, and then slide it backward towards the front of the vehicle and lift straight up. And then we can remove our air filter and check down in there. So there's a little bit of grime and dirt and grossness in there, so I'm going to go ahead and vacuum that out. Alternatively, you could just get like a wet paper towel or something and get rid of the dirt that's down in there. There we go, our air box bottom is nice and clean. That's typically where a bunch of dirt and twigs and sometimes even rocks end up in there, little ones. But now it's nice and clean down in there. A little tough to see, a little dark, but that's okay. And then we can grab our new air filter. Here's the air filter we're using today. It is a SA90140 from STP. I will leave it linked down below in the description to this part or a comparable one I find online, and we'll fit your car. So out of the package, we can inspect it, make sure it's in good shape and it's brand new, which it is. And then you want to orientate it like this, which is the way we took it out. Lift up the top of the air box, slide this in, make sure it's nice and fully seated down. You don't want it to be like this or something. You want to make sure that it is fully in its home, like this one is. Very cool. So on the back of the air box, you will see that there are three like slots here, here, and here, and there's three tangs. So what you want to do is maneuver this in a way that it slides backwards and then onto the tangs. This. See how I did that? I'll do it again. So we pulled it off like that. We want to just do the opposite, push down and backward towards the rear of the vehicle. And then push down on the top of the airbox like this, because you can see it kind of squishing the filter, which is good, that's what you want, but it'd be really hard to get these clips back on. So you want to squish it down and then just maneuver the clip like that until you hear a nice gratifying click. And then there's that one. All finished. And then to close your hood is really easy. Just lift it to about here and then just drop it. And your hood's closed. Thank you so much for watching. That was how to replace your air filter. It is really insanely easy to do, and honestly a shop would probably charge you, I don't know, 40 bucks, 50 bucks to put that filter in and then upcharge you on the filter. A dealer even worse. Doing this job yourself, the filter's I think $12. So it only costs you $12 to get a new air filter. And you should be replacing your air filter every other oil change, or at the very least looking at it every other oil change. I like to do every other oil change just to make sure my engine is running perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you next time.